Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about the open for free worldwide yarn giveaway. Okay, here it is. I just want to point out that I've been ill for 2 weeks and I thought to myself, let me start the giveaway. So I did. But unfortunately, no one is replying back to my messages that I have been messaging through YouTube. Like, I'm just replying back to the comments. You know, when you leave a comment, I just say, congratulations, you're the winner. So far, I only had 3 people replied. I shipped to 2, but the 3rd I am going to ship, but I don't want to go all the way to the post office because I've been ill, like I said, for 2 weeks, and it's been really rough for me. I had infection on my throat due to weather change. I was hospitalized and they put a serum on my arm here, and it's still dark. It's bruised. So I couldn't wait to end of May. I don't know what's going to happen end of May. I can die, right? No one knows what would happen. So I thought to myself, let me do the giveaway. But unfortunately, like I said, no one is replying. So let me show you what I have. So please check your messages. Like, when you put a message, you want to join, like, you have to follow up with it. You just can't leave it. Can't blame the internet. So Jordan, from Jordan, Rana, AlQudah, I replied to her like 14 hours, nothing. I haven't heard a thing from her. Okay, let's leave her alone. This fellow, 3 days ago I replied, nothing. Again, nothing. So please reply to me as soon as possible. And again, here, I replied to a couple of people. Again, only 2 people replied back, so they are receiving their yarn ASAP, hopefully by next week. So please check your messages. Like, why aren't you checking your message? I don't understand. Like, 3 days ago I have replied, you're the winner, you're the winner. And don't be shocked if you're the winner. Just a random picking I'm doing. Or else if I don't hear for another 2 more days, I'm gonna use the random picker and do it alive. Like, this is nonsense. Okay, here again, Susanne, please reply back to me. It's been 3 days. Again, salam, irini, please reply back to me. In a day. Okay, this person, she replied ASAP, so she's getting hers. Her package is ready. It's just that I need more people so I can go to the post office and ship hers as well. Like, please reply back to me. Like, I don't understand, why are you entering if you're not going to be you know, replying back to me. Okay, someone just added. So please reply back, and I will send your yarn ASAP, because I've been sick. Like, the plan didn't work out the way I wanted it, unfortunately. I know I'm looking for subscribers like this, and then the bell sign, you know, showing that you're notified every time I post a video, and so on. So please reply back to my messages, and please leave only 1 message. Like I said, if I don't hear anybody by 2 days, I'm gonna do a random picker thing alive. I'm gonna tape it. Like, I don't know why people aren't replying if you're, you know, joining. So please reply as soon as possible. This is a friendly reminder. I am very tired. It's been 2 weeks. I've been sick with high fever. And I'm getting better, but it's still, you know, I still have it in my body. I'm taking the pills, the antibacterial. Try to get the bacteria out of my throat. It's the weather change. That's what the doctor said, because Canada is more chilly here than Turkey. It's more humid and it's more warm. So I've been sweating a lot, and yeah, the weather has, and I'm not used to it. So, and this trip has been long. It's 3 months, right? So it's almost 18. Today's the 18, I believe. So yeah, your body gets, when you're not used to it. So please do reply. Like, I don't understand why people aren't replying back. This is yarn, man. Oh, I'm going to be shipping it, and no one's replying back. Okay, again, 2 more days. If I don't hear from you, I'm going to redo it again. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to do a tutorial, actually. I just couldn't hold any longer. I know I'm weak, but I need to do my water bottle tutorial. Thank you, and happy crocheting, happy knitting.